Are you ready for the top 25 early Prime Day deals for 2025, which are live right now? From tech and home to beauty and fashion, these steal deals are already available. No waiting needed. Let's start with tech and smart home. Amazon Fire TV 50-inch, the Omni 4K, with a stunning 4K display and Alexa and streaming built-in, is right now 40% off and priced at just $290. The Hisense 43-inch Smart Fire TV, which is budget-friendly Full HD Smart TV with voice control, is at $199 only after 33% price cut. Blink Outdoor 4 3-pack. These are weatherproof, battery-powered security cams with motion alerts. They're at a massive 62% off and are just $100. Amazon Fire Stick 4K, which is the newest model, the best-selling Fire TV Stick 4K, which streams shows and movies on your TV in ultra-high-definition 4K resolution, is on sale for just $24 at a 50% discount due to the early Amazon Prime Day deals. Ring's battery doorbell and indoor cam 2 bundle is just $70 now with a 50% price cut. It includes a 1440 by 1440 HD video doorbell and 1080 pixels indoor camera, both featuring live view, two-way talk, motion alerts, and easy app control. Next, the Anker 633 magnetic power bank, a portable 10,000 mAh charger for your iPhone, which is MagSafe, is at 28% off. The Yeti Hopper Flip 18 portable soft cooler, leak-proof zipper, durable fabric that withstands wear and tear and won't fade even if you make it sit out in the sun regularly, is at just $240 after a 20% discount. The Anova Culinary Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro, with built-in bag storage, a bag cutter, and moist and dry settings, is at just $89 with a 42% price cut. The Stanley Quencher tumbler is at 25% off. This 30 ounces insulated mason jar style tumbler keeps drinks cold for hours. It's just at $25 now. The Lodge 6-quart enamel Dutch oven, durable cast iron classic for soups, stews, and more, is just $79 after a 20% discount. Weber Genesis E335 gas grill, 3 burners, sear zone, and side burner, which is ideal for barbecue lovers. It's at just $1,199 with $200 off. The Le Creuset non-stick ceramic frying pan 10 inches. This is premium cookware with easy release, and it's at $95 after 20% price cut. Next, we come to beauty and personal care. The Waterpik cordless water flosser, convenient, rechargeable, and it's great for easy oral care. It's 29% off and just $79 right now. The Panasonic multi-shape electric trimmer is 20% off now. It's optimized to gently and easily trim even thick, dense hair and beards with a narrow design great for edging and detailing, now at just $55. The ROC Retinol Correction Eye Cream smooths fine lines and dark circles. Now it's just $20 after 35% price cut. The Medicube Zero Pore Pads are at 40% off. These Korean beauty cult favorites for refining your skin texture are just $19 right now. CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser, gentle dermatologist recommended daily face wash. On early sale at 23% off, it is now just $14. Skin Medica Essential Defense Sunscreen. This Mineral Shield SPF sunscreen for your face is lightweight and ideal for oily and or combination skin. It is now $32 after 20% discount. Next, we come to fashion and apparel. Gym People athletic leggings, celebrity loved high-waist leggings praised for flattering fit and comfort, are at 20% off right now. Remember, all these deals, their links are in the description. You can check out any of the links and you can buy them right now. The Drop Dia midi dress, simple tank dress in trendy midi silhouette, is at $49 after a 30% price cut. Free People Trevite Denim Mini, breezy casual denim mini perfect for summer, is now 25% off and just $85. Pistola West jeans, on-trend relax fit denim with 51% off. Great wardrobe staple, now just $87. Lack of color women's Parma hat, a large size wide-brimmed boat hat with comfortable fit and an inner elastic band, priced at $139 after a decent discount. The Calvin Klein cotton bralette, comfortable, essential, great as loungewear or layering. It's down to $24 after a 20% price cut. Free People Braden Western boots. These statement boots are at just $257 after a 14% price cut. So that wraps up our countdown of the top 25 early Prime Day deals of 2025, all live and ready for checkout. So which one are you going to be snatching? All the links are in the description. And do let me know in the comments below which one you found to be the best. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to Up On Top for more videos like this one.